Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for coming. Thank you so much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe, like video, share. Thank you so much you guys. Now guys, indaba ezingekho mnandi ezibuhlungu ngempela zipheli manje ke ukuthi ugogo Sikhotheni ke enomye okade ngumyeni wakuMonde eShange sebelahlekele ingane yabo yongufana leyo kwathiwa ke lengane yazalwa as a prematurely baby ewazalwa isikhathi singakafiki. So lo mntana lo ubehlele esibhedlela kwesikhathi eside. You guys ngiyakhumbula kuloko kukhulunywa ngengane yakho koSikhotheni ephila esibhedlela ngoba kuthiwa yazalwa ke without angazi kuthiwa without the tube ichube le kushuthi mawudla ukudla okugwinya kuya ngaseswisini kushuthi lo mntwana lo wazale ngenayo leyo tube, which means ingane ebidla ngama pipe ephilise esibhedlela nje njalo futhi yazala isikhathi singakafiki. Kushuthi bekunama complications. Ngiyakhumbula ke since yazalwa ke le ngane kwakhulunywa ngayo ugogo Sikhotheni ukuthi ayipost into ekanjalo you guys. So kuthiwa akasekho emhlabeni ke lo mntwana ugogo Sikhotheni enokade kumyeni wakhe uMonde Shange sebelahlekelwe ingane yabo encane na 3 years old. Ngathi nje akazange ugogo Sikhotheni akakwazi ukuphila naye ingane yakhe because ibiphilise esibhedlela isikhathi esiningi you guys. Shame kwaze kwakube ngezibuhlungu lezi zikagogo Sikhotheni you guys. Gogo Sikhotheni grieved the passing of her 3-year-old son uMonde Jr. As reported by Uzemochi, Gogo Sikhotheni and her estranged spouse uMonde Shange are grieving the loss of their 3-year-old child. The heartbreaking news was shared by Gogo Sikhotheni in an official statement to Uzemochi confirming ukudlula kwale ngane. She has previously discussed her son's health challenges, particularly on his second birthday, where she expressed her sorrow. She shared a heartbroken message on his second birthday. uMonde Jr. What now? You've been at that hospital bed ever since. You know all the nurses, all the doctors, the cleaners. We are now planning your second birthday and you are still there. Ugogo Sikhotheni revealed that during her pregnancy, she experienced complications that led to Monde Jr. being born prematurely at 7 months. So following his birthday, he struggled to breathe, prompting doctors to rush him to the ICU after 2 hours. Ugogo Sikhotheni on this road has been challenging as their family has encountered hardships. uMonde Jr. has been in ICU for nearly 2 years. Like bengishilo ukuthi abakaze basichitha isikhathi eside nomntana ngoba uhlala nje njalo esibhedlela. Their relationship as well has been tumultuously slung phela lezo yo with allegations of siyazi ukuthi ke uMonde Shange benogogo Sikhotheni bebeloko bedonsana behlukana konke you guys, but ke manje sebelahlekelwe ngomntwana. Kune statement lapha you guys, official statement on the passing of Monde Shange. I think siposted ugogo Sikhotheni ke date September 2nd 2024, which is izolo. It is with profound sadness that the Motsoeneng and Shange families confirm the passing of Monde Jr. Shange. uMonde Jr. departed this life at that is 15:00 p.m. 3 Monday, September 2nd 2024 ngase Busamed at I think you say Busamed or Busamed angazi Motafontein Private Hospital. Now the families kindly request privacy as they navigate this deep and painful loss. We ask for your understanding and compassion in giving them the space they need during this difficult time of grieving. Kune verse like lapha neMakhubo 23 verse 4 that reminds us, even though I walk through the darkness valley, I will fear no evil. I think it inemangaze ngihambe yes ethunzini lokufa angesabi lutho ngokuba wena unami into ekanjalo guys. Dayivesi kumahubo cishe ngalikhohlwa phela nami guys, yakhohlwa amavesi into ekanjalo. So you guys, izona ndaba zikagogo Sikhotheni noMonde Shange sebelahlekele ile ngane yabo ibinhle kanjani Nkosi yami. Gogo Sikhotheni grieved the passing of her 3-year-old son Monde Jr. The heartbreaking news was shared by ugogo Sikhotheni ke in an official statement engiqeda kulifundela sona ke basatrenda manje kugogo Sikhotheni nengane yakhe Nkosi amashame. Shame you guys. Ngiyabona lokhu yatrenda scroll laphana udlulile emhlabeni umntana bamfake laphana esithombe. Shame kube sena 3 ngempela you guys, isikhathi esiningi nje beleke sesibhedlela lo mntwana. Akwazi kwakubi sorry Gogo Sikhotheni, shame condolences to them, the family and ugogo Sikhotheni noMonde Shange you guys. Bebelokhu bedlula nje intweni eziningi uMonde Shange nogogo Sikhotheni manje naku ke you guys ukudlula komntwana emhlabeni. Monde inspired many throughout his short life by putting up with an uneasy fight for 2 years as he fought to live. My condolences go out to Gogo Sikhotheni and the Shange family. May the legal man rest in peace. Shame. Shame bakithi uphile nje kweminyaka emithathu kodwa Nkosi yami. Ukwazi kwabuhlungu ukudla ngamapipe, ugunya ngamapipe umntwana emncane kangaka you guys. It's so sad. Kwaze kwakubi kunalesi sithombe nje ebukane noma wakhe emehlweni Nkosi yami bebonda. Ubesekhulile Nkosi yami, besethe ukukhula 3 years ephila kanzima, ephila esibhedlela ngamapipe. Ubesethe ukukhula bandla. Kodwa shame. Kwaze kwakubi you guys. Thank you so much ukuthi ibukeke le video. Ngiyangizwelana nje nogogo Sikhotheni. Kuninele ke trend ngendaba zemjolo nani. Nakho ke manje naku bunzima ke bumfica ugogo Sikhotheni bakithi beyithanda kanjani ingane yakhe. Ayiposte njalo. Athi I will fight. God is testing me. I'll fight. Behlala njalo epostile bakithi. Shame. Azazi zazimbi ke lezo ndaba you guys. Izagogo Sikhotheni ayizazi zazimbi. Ngiye ngazibona ekseni indaba ukuthi bengisemsebenzini busy Nkosi yami. Askis gogo Sikhotheni noBhutimonde Shange siyazi ukuthi singathi sebehlukene kodwa ke kuzomela bahlangane kuloko when it comes to ke lahleka kwengane yabo and just make sure ukuthi bamunye and bury their beautiful little soul. Shame. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuke video, like, subscribe, share ke sobe sibonane kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.